Okay, so this bell work covered adding and subtracting of polynomials, and I know that this is an addition problem because I have a plus sign separating the two items. So let's go ahead and knock this one out. I've got, let's see, I have 5x plus 4x, and 5x plus 4x is 9x, so that takes care of these two. Those can't work. And then I have positive 2 plus 5, so 9x plus 7. Looking at problem number 2. Now usually these negative signs, or these minus signs rather, in between, sometimes these cause confusion, and I hope to explain this in a way that's meaningful to you. So let's see. I have 4x squared, and then I have a minus here, and that means that this is technically a negative x squared. So I have 4x squared minus 1x squared would give me 3x squared, so that takes care of this one. That can't be the answer. And then I have x minus 2x. So 1x minus 2x is negative 1x, so that takes care of the other two here that are marked in red, and that means that 3x squared minus x is our answer. Here is something that students like to do from time to time to help straighten these types of problems out. Some students like to change this to a plus and then go inside and change all of the other signs to the opposites. And then you can just add. In other words, that would give you 4x squared minus 1x squared. You still get 3x squared. And then you have x minus 2x, which is negative x. So if you want to change the negative that's in front of parentheses, if you want to change it to a positive, you can do that as long as you go inside and you make all of the negative numbers positive and all the positive numbers negative. Number 3. On number 3, I need to figure out which one's grouped together. So let's see. Here I have a certain number of xy's, and here I have a certain number of xy's. So I know those go together. So negative 3xy's, I'm sorry, negative 7xy's minus 3 more xy's is going to be negative 10xy. Well, it can't be this one because that's positive. And there's really nothing, let's see, I can combine the x's. I have x plus x. That means I have 2x. So that rules this one out and this one out. And so that's going to be negative 10xy plus 2x. And of course, this y here in the middle cannot be combined with anything. And that leaves us this as our final answer. Okay, last but not least, number 4. If you have 4x squared and you subtract 3x squared, well, 4 minus 3 is 1, so that's going to just leave you 1x squared.